when you do these pieces, you want to keep them vintage and the same colors as you are. Otherwise, they call it bastardizing the piece.
Yep.
Changing the quality of the piece. Leave it the exact color inside. So even if you have these type of pieces,
Yep.
you know, people sell them separately who are missing these pieces. These pieces over here could go for $25 to $30
Right.
a piece. So hardware is so important in vintage.
Yep.
People buy knobs. You could go to a tag sale and buy a bag full of knobs for $25 and then be selling them on eBay for $10 a piece.
Right. In my house, I love having unique things because it's just, to me, it's a conversation piece. It's not things you see in other people's homes. I just like different things.